Some cars seem like a perfect deal at first glance, offering a low price and a practical design. But what looks affordable up front can hide long-term costs that quietly pile up. Repairs, maintenance, and unexpected issues can turn a bargain into a burden, proving that the true cost of a vehicle isn't always what you see on the sticker. Today, we will talk about cheap cars that are expensive to own. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Cheap cars that are expensive to own. The hidden costs. At first glance, some cars seem like bargains. Low purchase price, attractive financing options, and decent fuel efficiency. However, in 2026, many cheap vehicles turn out to be surprisingly expensive to own due to high maintenance, poor reliability, rapid depreciation, and inflated insurance costs. Entry-level vehicles often cut corners in design and parts quality, meaning they may require more frequent repairs or replacements than higher-quality counterparts. Some models are inexpensive upfront, but demand costly repairs for transmission issues, engine problems, or electrical failures. Insurance can also be surprisingly high if the car has a history of accidents, recalls, or poor safety ratings. Even routine maintenance items like brake pads, tires, or timing belts may need to be replaced more often than expected. In this discussion, we'll explore the cars that appear cheap but have hidden ownership costs, helping buyers avoid surprises and make smarter financial decisions. 2. Subcompact and compact cars. Hyundai Accent, Kia Rio, Nissan Versa. Subcompact and compact cars are often marketed as the ultimate budget-friendly options, but models like the Hyundai Accent, Kia Rio, and Nissan Versa can be expensive to maintain over time. Their smaller engines may be reliable, but issues such as transmission failures, suspension problems, and electrical quirks often appear after just a few years of use. Parts for these vehicles are sometimes less widely available or require dealership-specific servicing, increasing labor costs. Additionally, because these cars depreciate quickly, owners often lose a significant portion of their investment within 5 years. Insurance can be higher than expected for younger drivers or those living in urban areas. Combined, these factors can turn a low upfront cost into a surprisingly heavy long-term financial commitment. 3. Small SUVs and crossovers. Ford EcoSport, Jeep Renegade, Nissan Kicks. Small SUVs and crossovers are attractive for their practicality and affordability, but models like the Ford EcoSport, Jeep Renegade, and Nissan Kicks often carry hidden costs. Turbocharged engines, CVT transmissions, and sophisticated electronics can fail prematurely, and replacement parts are frequently expensive. Fuel economy may also be lower than advertised when factoring in real-world driving conditions, increasing ongoing costs. Insurance for these small SUVs can be higher due to their classification as riskier vehicles, particularly for younger drivers or those in urban settings. While they appear inexpensive to purchase, long-term maintenance, repairs, and insurance often make them more costly than mid-size sedans or reliable compact cars. 4. Budget electric vehicles. Chevrolet Bolt, Nissan Leaf, Mini Cooper EC. Even affordable electric cars can be surprisingly costly. Vehicles like the Chevrolet Bolt, Nissan Leaf, and Mini Cooper SE have lower upfront prices compared to luxury E-Fas, but their battery replacements, software updates, and electronic repairs can be expensive after warranty expiration. Tires and brakes may also wear faster due to the instant torque of electric drivetrains. Resale value can be unpredictable, and while charging costs are lower than fuel, unexpected repairs can make ownership significantly more expensive than anticipated. Buyers often underestimate these hidden expenses when choosing cheap EVs. 5. Economy sedans. Toyota Yaris, Honda Fit, Mitsubishi Mirage. Economy sedans are designed for low cost of entry, but even models like the Toyota Yaris, Honda Fit, and Mitsubishi Mirage can surprise owners with long-term costs. Some engines and transmissions require frequent attention to avoid failures, and certain components may need replacement more often than in higher-tier vehicles. Tires, brakes, and clutch replacements can occur earlier than expected due to lightweight construction or lower-grade components. Depreciation is steep, sometimes exceeding 50% in 5 years, making resale value low. Even routine maintenance may accumulate a substantial total cost over several years, challenging the notion that these cars are cheap to own. 6. Imported budget cars. Fiat 500, Mini Cooper Smart for 2. Small imported cars marketed as trendy or budget-friendly, like the Fiat 500, Mini Cooper, and Smart 42, often require specialized parts and service. Parts availability can be limited, and dealership labor is often expensive. Electrical issues, transmission quirks, and suspension repairs are common, turning low initial purchase prices into higher-than-expected ownership costs. Insurance for imported small cars can also be elevated due to parts replacement costs and repair complexity. Buyers drawn by style and price may not anticipate the full financial burden of ongoing maintenance. 7. Compact trucks. Ford Ranger, Toyota Tacoma base models, entry-level compact trucks may appear affordable compared to full-size pickups, but they often require premium parts and repairs. The Ford Ranger and base Toyota Tacoma models are reliable to a degree, but components like transmissions, timing chains, and suspension parts can be expensive to service. Additionally, trucks are often used for hauling and off-road activities, which accelerates wear and increases the cost of repairs. Depreciation and fuel costs further contribute to the total ownership expense, making cheap trucks potentially costly in practice. 8. High-mileage older vehicles. Nissan Sentra, Hyundai. Elantra, Chevrolet Cruze. Older vehicles with low purchase prices often appear budget-friendly but come with hidden ownership risks. Models like the Nissan Sentra, Hyundai Elantra, and Chevrolet Cruze may have deteriorating components, worn suspensions, or failing engines and transmissions. Labor and parts costs for repairs on older models can quickly surpass savings from the low purchase price. Insurance may remain high if vehicles lack advanced safety features and frequent maintenance is required to keep them roadworthy. In many cases, the total cost of ownership over 5 years exceeds the savings gained from buying cheap up front. 9. Cars with poor reliability. Dodge Dart, Fiat Tipo, Renault Clio. Some inexpensive vehicles are known for chronic reliability issues. Models like the Dodge Dart, Fiat Tipo, and Renault Clio require repeated trips to the shop for transmission repairs, electrical fixes, and cooling system issues. Even though the initial purchase price is low, owners quickly face repeated repair bills, high maintenance, and frustration. These vehicles often suffer from poor resale value, compounding financial losses. What seemed like a budget-friendly option turns into a persistent drain on time, money, and peace of mind. 10. Look beyond the sticker price. Buying a cheap car is no guarantee of low ownership costs in 2026. Many entry-level vehicles, small SUVs, budget EVs, imported compacts, and older high-mileage cars can end up costing more than mid-range reliable alternatives. Hidden maintenance costs, unexpected repairs, depreciation, fuel, and insurance can quickly turn an inexpensive purchase into a financial headache. The key is to research reliability ratings, parts availability, long-term repair costs, and insurance premiums before purchasing. By looking beyond the sticker price and evaluating total cost of ownership, buyers can avoid financial traps and enjoy a truly affordable driving experience without surprises. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.